video that I'm going to teach you how to scooter. So I'm going to ride to my house. Okay, so the first step of riding your scooter is you push your first foot on the scooter. Don't be scared because if you fall, the scooter will help. And then you push up really, really quickly to make a good thing so you don't fall. So you go like this. And then you have your own movement. But the only thing is, for a beginner, if you want to go pretty far, I would start by just going from here and turning around like that instead of just going like, whoa, when you're on the scooter. And then you just go like this.